In this video I will teach that how you can transfer or copy your game files from PC to your PS3 console, bigger than 4 GB size, without involving any router and with high speed up to 20 megabytes per second just by using a LAN cable and FILEZILLA client software. Watch the full video for complete procedure. Power on your PS3, go to Settings, and scroll down to Network Settings. Click X to open Network Settings. Click on Internet Connection Settings. Next, select Custom. Then Wired Connection. Then Manual Settings. Then Auto Detect. Then Manual IP Address Settings. Note down these all IPs and DNS values and enter these values in your PS3 network settings. You can see here all the settings information. Now exit Network Settings. Scroll to Game option. Then scroll down to Open Rebug Toolbox. You must need this Rebug Toolbox to be installed in your PS3 for file transfer purpose. The link to download the application is given in the description. Open the Rebug Toolbox and keep it open. Now connect your PS3 to your PC via LAN cable. Now move on to your PC for network IP setting, installation of FILEZILLA client software, and then transferring of game files. Open the network and internet settings. Select Ethernet. And edit IP settings as shown in the video. Download FILEZILLA client software from the link given in the description and install it. Open FILEZILLA client. Write 1.1.1.2 for host IP and click Quick Connect. Your PC is now connected to PS3 console. You can see the PC folders on the left side and that PS3 on the right side. I am going to open the folder in my PC where I have downloaded package game files of Uncharted 3. You can see here all the PKG files of the game. Here is the big file, which is more than 8 gigabytes. I have already transferred that file using FILEZILLA. However, I will show you a transfer of other file bigger than 4 gigabytes for example purpose. Drag and drop the file to transfer from left side to right side, and yes, you can see the speed near to 20 megabytes per second. And this whole 4.1 gigabytes file will copy in less than 5 minutes. Here you can see the file bigger than 8 gigabytes. So in this way you can transfer the files to your PS3 with a high speed offline without involving the router by using a LAN cable and FILEZILLA client. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please do subscribe the channel for more.